Hi guys, this is my new Eastern Shovelhead 2009. I just got it for Christmas, and I haven't done much really, just a few parts like McNeil, seat and post, Odyssey, Jim Selinsky pedals, and I've just put some new bar ends in. But basically I just made this video because I was wondering what stem to get, because the Eastern Choker stem is really crappy, so I was thinking either getting Odyssey V3 Elementary stem or the Shadow Conspiracy front load attack stem. So tell me what you think about them and these comments or whatever. I won't do a rundown of the bike, I'll make a new video of it. Alright, cheers.